Libra. This is your reading for next 24. We are going to see what's coming your way. I heard for some of you it may happen for next 48. So let's just do it. This is your reading for next 48. I'm also getting listen to your intuition, and especially when it comes to next 48 hours, because we are going to get a lot of messages. Okay? This is for Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and North Node. I did not want to do this reading today. I simply wanted to relax, and it's like somebody was waiting for the daily message, and seriously, I did not get they need this message, but I was feeling somebody was waiting and I was feeling it. So I decided to do this reading, and let's see. I'm also getting if you're going to decide something, you will end up choosing something else or getting something else. But this is going to be the plan of universe, so accept it. Okay? Could be possible this is a small thing. You are going out for shopping and you saw you wanted something else, but you bought something else instead. So just let it be. I'm also getting universe is trying to protect you, or there is something better for you. Something is going to happen. For some of you, I also heard miracle. So just take however it is making sense to you. Those were channeled messages. Let's see. For next 48 for Libra. Also, I'm facing some issue when it comes to captions of the videos. I don't know, but YouTube auto translates into another language and I'm unable to change it. Some people are facing issue with that. I tried multiple times. I could not fix it. So first, you need to accept it. Another thing, if you can help me with this, if you know how to fix this issue, please let me know in the comment section. I know you can change language, but it just doesn't work. Let's see. I'm also getting you need to relax. I heard breathe out for some of you. Let's see. So if you are getting upset or if you are getting aggressive about something, I also heard impulsive. Just relax. Okay. Libra. The first thing I heard, are you watching porn? You could be watching those videos, and if this is not you, somebody else is feeling this way. I'm also getting somebody is very, very attracted towards you. I also heard for some of you, this is somebody else who is unable to control their passion for you, but there is a possibility you are going to feel a lot of fire, a lot of heat, especially for next 48. Why? Because you are picking up their energy. Somehow, you are controlling this person and you have no idea about it. So Libra, be it your voice, your wisdom, your passion, your looks, your nature, whatever it is. It could be your smile, your confidence, but I also heard self-esteem for some of you. I'm also getting somebody is attracted the way you work. So whatever it is, I feel that this message is going to resonate with some of you. I feel you have decided not to sleep with somebody who is not serious for you. You simply do not want something casual. You do not want one night stand. You want to focus and you need to clear your energy. I feel somebody is looking at you this way and they are extremely attracted towards you. Number 17, number 38 could be important for you. I'm also getting number 2, number 11 and number 8 for you. I just saw 28. Okay, let's see. For some of you, I'm getting you're trying to focus on your looks and this is working. You're very much in your control. For some of you, you guys could be thinking about a Scorpion or it could be Aries for some of you. I'm also getting Leo energy for some of you. You're thinking about meeting somebody. It could be your community, it could be going out with your friends, or it could be dating, it could be going out with this Scorpion, this Aries energy or this Leo. Yes, at the back of your mind, you're thinking about the past. I feel you're trying to control your emotions, but yes, you're thinking about relationships and you are feeling emotional. I'm not getting you upset, but simply you're feeling good. This is on your mind. It could be about any relationship. Okay. Okay. So I'm getting there's a possibility you are feeling the lack. Either you will decide to love yourself or you're actually going to meet somebody new. Let's see. But I'm getting a new start here. It could be the change in your perspective, or it could be somebody coming your way. You could be manifesting, you could be waiting, and okay. You could be somebody who always like to speak the truth. Be responsible, do the right thing. You are going to let go of this rigidity for at least next 48, and you simply want to have fun. So if you are very serious, you could be wishing to go out with kids, your family, your friends, and you simply want to have fun. I'm getting something you want, something you could be wishing for. You are about to receive that. Leo is very strong in this reading, and I also see you receiving power. Exactly. You are very powerful. You have a balance when it comes to your life, your actions, your emotions, and everything. Your one wish is about to get fulfilled. It could be related to work or the way you are looking at this time. I don't know. Yes. Talking about looks, we have Knight of Wands here. Are you planning to travel or something like that? If you were wishing for somebody to approach you with a stable mindset, especially someone who was very practical, cold, detached, and very inconsistent, I feel you are about to hear from this person, especially if they were holding back. Exactly. But you are still loving yourself, and I feel in the past you even released any grudge you were holding on to, and now you are good, you are loving yourself. Let's see. Okay, so somebody got into an argument with you. And I feel you could be manifesting apology from this person. They are feeling very stressed. So if you are manifesting apology, they are feeling very stressed. Even at their work, they are thinking about you. They are extremely slow, but their perspective is changing, and they are very stubborn. They are trying to hold back, and they are trying to let go, but they cannot stop thinking about you. So if you are manifesting, it's working, and if you want them to take action towards you and apologize, I see that happening for you. If you are loving yourself, you could be looking out there on internet for cosmetics or for anything that can help you. It could be about food, cosmetics. Maybe you want to change your routine. You could even be watching videos about yoga, meditation. That will definitely help you to have a balance. Now, you could be feeling left out by a Scorpion. It could be a water sign or somebody who ghosted you, who were not very honest when it comes to their feelings, their emotions, and you could be hoping for a message or call from them. Yes, you're a bit disappointed. You waited a lot, but they were very stubborn, and commitment could be an issue here. You feel spiritual connection with this person. Yes, there is a possibility if you are manifesting, you can hear from this person, but will you hear from them in next 48 or not? We will see. Eventually, I see you receiving a message if you are manifesting. Okay. But yes, this situation is on your mind. So let's see. Okay. If you're single, you're not going to be single anymore. I see you meeting somebody. Definitely somebody is coming towards you, either with a love offer or apology. This is the confirmation. Also, if you were feeling emotionally independent from somebody, could be the mutual energy. I definitely see the improvement and union. If somebody here or both of you could be very practical in the situation. Now I definitely see emotions, and exactly things will move forward very fast between you guys. See, that's why you're feeling emotional. Let's see. What about your work? Wow. Somebody is coming your way. I'm getting the teamwork. I'm also getting you could be waiting for something. You could be waiting for a promotion, improvement, or it could be anything. It could even be praise, recognition, and reward for some of you. I see that happening, and just wait for 2 days or 2 hours, I would say. I also see you fulfilling your responsibilities, but to be honest, I'm getting amazing day for you. As time will pass, you are going to feel it's getting better and better. Some of you guys are going to be the boss, or you are going to manage the whole team overnight. Wow. So you could be struggling when it comes to your money. You could be feeling blocked. You could also be feeling some people are trying to block your money. But here it is. I'm also getting property dispute in family for some of you. I do not see any more resistance, and yes, I see you receiving money. I also see you receiving a gift or donation. If you work on social media, I see you getting fame, recognition, and whatever you want. I see you receiving that. I see you successful, and maybe that's why Spirit wanted me to do this reading, because messages are amazing. But I'm also getting manifestation is very important in this reading. For those of you who were manifesting, definitely you can expect that. Okay? I'm also getting, if it doesn't happen for next 2 days, wait for 2 more days and give this reading 4 days basically. Whenever you're watching this. Yes. Somebody who was avoiding you, they have a change of heart, and I'm also getting, you will see that your family situation is improving as you're taking care of yourself. Somebody is crazy about you. They want to talk to you. They are trying to make a plan to approach you. I feel this person is very quiet, reserved, but they want to open up. They have a lot of fire for you, and they stalk you, especially at night. You are the light in their darkness. I'm also getting, they often masturbate when they think about you. It's like your confidence is your power, and they are also scared that once they will approach you, you are going to kill them with your sword or even with your tongue, but they want to have a family with you. Will they take any action towards Libra? They also think you have walked away, or you don't even look at them. They have no idea what you are up to. So I feel if this is somebody who did wrong to you in the past, now they want to come forward. They want to tell you that yes, it was their mistake, but now they want to fight for this connection. They also want you to be in this situation. So this person will try to have a balance and manifest you. So I was right, Libra. If suddenly you are going to feel like getting intimate with somebody, or it could simply be like you are having sexual thoughts, somebody is manifesting you. They are trying to attract you. Okay, these are their thoughts basically. If something was stagnant, after a lot of patience, I see this situation finally moving forward, and I'm getting the new opportunity when you guys will have the chance to change the situation. But leave the past behind, close the past chapter, and move forward. Okay? That way, your energy will not be scattered, and you guys will make a final decision to move forward. Whoever this person is, they're very anxious and they're actually scared of you. But talking about your love life, somebody is definitely coming. Situation is moving forward. This could be the wish come true for you. Exactly. So this could be somebody who lives in a different city or country. They are coming towards you. This person is obsessed and they are in love with you. Wow. So they have a lot of passion. They don't want to lose you. They see you as their soulmate, and yes, they tried to move on in the past, but they couldn't. And or even if it's a new person or somebody at your workplace, I feel they tried to keep a distance from you, but they just couldn't. Yes, They're having sleepless nights and they want to have something special with you. I'm also getting this situation will be having a very positive outcome in the end. So you can see many ups and downs, but in the outcome of this connection, I'm feeling the growth, nurturing, and I'm getting very positive vibe. Wow, making peace with an inconsistent person. I did mention this, Libra. Somebody who was inconsistent. Cold, detached, they are coming towards you. And you are going to make peace with them. Okay. Number 7 could be important for some of you. And this is very important because I forgot to mention in the reading. So yes, 7 is very important. Okay. So it could be 7 minutes, 7 hours, 7 days for some of you. I just heard for some of you, either you are going to receive their message or call around 7 a.m. or p.m. But I also heard if you are going to receive a call, there is a possibility you are going to talk to them straight for 7 hours. Could be overnight for some of you. Very specific message. Because who has the time to talk for 7 hours? Let's see. Number 3 could be important. Manifestations are definitely working. 3 is another important number I have for you for next 48. Somebody here could be a singer, or music is very important in this connection. Money could be blocked due to bad karma, but things will move forward. I did mention this, Libra. You are feeling money is blocked, but see, here it is. This is coming. Working together. I did mention about teamwork, so it's about your work situation. I see the cooperation when it comes to your work situation and you guys are working together. It could be the new project or collaboration for some of you. I'm also getting change for you. Be it your love life or finances. I'm getting the good change. Just one card, please. Okay. I'm here. I'm also getting union for some of you. Learning to self-love after a heartbreak. Libra. I did mention this. You are trying to love yourself and you are taking care of yourself. You are even trying to fix your routine. Yes, I feel you are falling out of love. Whatever happened in the past, or you could be realizing that you stopped loving yourself. Just one more card, please, for next 48 for Libra. They think you're sorted. Yes, they admire you a lot. They admire your confidence and they will announce something. They're very nervous about it. Also, Spirit is telling you, don't overspend this month. You could be thinking, your time will come, especially when it comes to your finances and work. That time has come, Libra. Also, if somebody was silent, if they ghosted you, it was actually necessary for this connection and you may understand it later. Okay, something valuable after a long period of wait. So yes, expect that. Getting an offer donation, I did mention this as well. So wonderful reading, Libra. I really hope it helped. Type 777 in the comment section. Thank you so much. Bye bye and take care.